Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishnayer from Mookambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam, 26th February 2026, Thursday, Vishwasunama Samvalsaram, Uttarayanam, Shishira Ritu, Mashi Masam, that is Kumbha Masam, Shukla Paksham, Tithi up to 12:56 p.m. Dashami, then Ekadashi. Thursday, that is Guruvasaram, Nakshatram up to 12:37 p.m. Mrigashirsham, then Thiruvadirai. Today's Rahukalam 1:30 to 3 p.m. Yamagandam 6 to 7:30 a.m. Guliyakalam 9 to 10:30 a.m. Good time 10:30 to 11:30 a.m. then 5 to 6 p.m. Today's sunrise at 6:34 a.m. in India. Chandrashtam for Vichikarashi, Shulam South, Prayachitam, Jinjili oil, Shraddha Tithi, Dashami. Om Sri Matre Namaha.